In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save contacts to Google account. So the first thing you may want to do is open up your contacts app on your phone. The next is look for the settings button inside it. So it could be a three dot icon or in my case, it looks like this. So just click on it. Then next is go to accounts. And here, make sure that you add the Google account in which you want to save your contacts into. And with this, you can easily sync and save your contacts on this specific account. Also, if you have this setting on your phone, of course, click on it, default storage. So as you can see, this feature lets us choose a Google account in which you want to save your contacts into. So here, basically, just choose that specific Google account and automatically this will serve as a default storage to our saved contacts on this phone. Lastly, go to your phone's App Store or Play Store and here look for an app called Google Contacts or you can simply type contacts and install this app. This app will basically detect or get all of your contacts saved on your phone and it will sync it automatically to your Google account. This way, it will also be easier to manage all your contacts across your Google account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!